I think it starts at the top. Owners go into it and they have this idea, this philosophy, or this methodology, whatever you want to call it, that they're going to make a difference. They're going to do something they love and they're going to change the world or change their world. And they get into it, and the daily grind starts to wear on them, and it starts to bring them down because they have to do paperwork. They have to do selections. They have to do client meetings. They have to do marketing. They have to do, oh, I have to pay bills. All this stuff starts to wear on them. And at first, it's pretty easy because you have 5 bills and you have one project, and it makes it possible. But as time goes on, it starts to wear them down. And in that moment in time, one of the things they can do is realize that they need to build a foundation for their company, just like they build a foundation for their homes and their projects. Have the same philosophy with that. Spend the energy, not all of it, because if you don't produce, you're not making money. So step back and say, I need to build a foundation for my company that can stand the test of time. If we can build that foundation, then I know that I'm going to be taken care of and my family is, but not only that, my employees, my coworkers, they're going to be taken care of. So then you take that pressure off them, but understanding that it does take time. Just like to build a house, very rare